This project takes us to Hyattsville, Maryland, where American home contractors completed a fully engineered Tesla solar roof system designed to blend performance, durability, and clean aesthetics into one seamless solution. At this home, we installed a 12.3 kilowatt Tesla solar roof system that replaces the traditional roofing material entirely. The roof itself is the solar system. Every tile is engineered to look like a premium architectural roof while quietly producing power every day. Before installation, the structure was professionally evaluated to ensure it could support the system with no compromise to safety or longevity. This system includes multiple roof arrays optimized for different roof pitches and orientations, paired with Tesla inverters and Powerwall batteries. That means solar production during the day and stored energy available at night or during outages. When the grid goes down, the lights stay on. This is what happens when advanced technology meets certified installation. A roof that protects the home, powers it, and prepares it for the future. American home contractors, installing peace of mind since 1986.